After you've made your assessments on your children, many users of the EYFS Tracker would like to evidence why they've made those judgments. And you can do that on this evidence section over here by clicking on the magnifying glass. So I'm looking at Stanislas here, and I'm going to click on that magnifying glass. And what this is going to do is show me all the individual early years outcomes for, in this case, PSED, personal, social and emotional development. So I can see I've got the 3 tabs under PSED, so I've got making relationships, self-confidence and self-awareness, managing feelings and behaviour. And what it's doing is listing out all these individual outcomes split into the different age stages they relate to. Let's scroll down and see all of those here. So let's look at the first one. Enjoys the company of others and seeks contact with others from birth. So you can see here we've ticked that option off. We ticked it off on the 5th of September 2015. If I found a new bit of evidence that I wanted to tick off, let's go down to the bottom and do that. Let's say they are now showing affection and concern with people who are special to them. I tick that option here, and that defaults to today's date. I can change that date. Let's say I actually made that assessment yesterday. I can change that date. Or if I did that in error and I want to untick it, I can do so by unticking there. So that's the first thing that people might want to do on the evidence page, and the vast majority of users of the EYFS Tracker will do that. But you can go further if you want to and provide even more detail. So if I look at, again, this first outcome here, I can see this attachment symbol over here. There's the paperclip icon, but there's also an asterisk and the letter T. An asterisk means that we have already uploaded an attachment for this child. The letter T means we've already put in some notes, T for text, so we've already put in some notes for this child. So you can see I've got an asterisk against the first one, but not against the second one. So I know that there's photos or other evidence uploaded against that outcome. So let's say I'm looking for the evidence for enjoying the company of others and seeking contact with others from birth. I can click on that attachment link here. And I can see I've got 2 bits of evidence that have been uploaded. Both of these are photos. So if I click on the first one, there's the image that I've uploaded a while ago for demonstrating this. There's an option to rotate image if you find that you've taken the image on your iPhone or your iPad and it was taken the wrong way around. You can rotate the image within the tracker. If you want to upload a new image, or you could upload a Word document or even a PowerPoint or anything like that, or a PDF, you can do so. You simply click the Choose File button, find the file on your computer, and then click Upload Attachment. If you're using this on an iPad or an iPhone, rather than saying Choose File, it will allow you to take a photo directly. So if I was using equally an Android device or some other mobile device, the way that it's phrased will differ depending on what device you're on, but basically it will allow you to either upload a file from your iPad or tablet or to take a photo directly. So that's a really nice thing to be able to do when you're in a classroom. If you're doing your work around evidence, that you can do that, take that photo and upload it immediately to the tracker. If I've uploaded something in error, I can delete it just by clicking the cross here. And then the other thing I can do in terms of evidence, maybe I don't have a photo of something, but I do have evidence, I've seen it myself, but I just didn't take a photo. You can add some notes in here. So here you can see Stanislas enjoys playing outside with other children every day. The other thing about the notes is that information can also be put automatically into a learning journey for parents. So you might want to write notes here that later on you want to share with parents. Equally, the photos that you upload up here can also appear automatically in learning journeys that you share with parents. So once you've uploaded the photos or other attachments and put in any notes that you want to do in here, you can click Save Notes, and then it's uploaded my attachments and save my notes. Click back, and then click back again, and I'm now back to my evidence list. And I can see, as I say, by scrolling down here, which of these I've already uploaded photos and text against.